Okay guys, see. First they have Batman, Batgirl, Spider-Man, Dr. Octopus, Joker, and the Joker. Okay, first up, we're gonna build Batman. See. Too hard. So first up, this one over his head. Okay, see? So then we're gonna put that here. Batman's body, stick. See his back. Okay. Next up, we're gonna build Batgirl. Okay. Okay. And like, see how she builds. Next up, we're gonna build Spider-Man. And then his. See. Next up, we're gonna build Dr. Octopus. Look, see. Okay. See. Next up, we're gonna build the Joker. And of course, there's another Joker, but different. So now, let's build. The last one. Next up. Last one. Where's the Joker? So, first up, his body. Then his face. And then his cap. See? What's up guys, we finished all the figures. Leave the comments below on my videos. See which one. Do you like anything? Click on the YouTube comment. Comments below if you want to see my video again. Just check it up. Check do different stuff on on the video. So bye guys.